I want to go over 3 highly rated sprayers you can buy on Amazon. We're going to start over here on this side. This is the DB Smith Field King Professional Backpack Sprayer. So this obviously is the only one that's a backpack sprayer of these 3, but I want to talk to you about some of the difference between the 3. Now, I'm not convinced that these are not all made by the same company, and I'm happy to buy from the same company if they make a good sprayer. So here's what I like about the backpack one. It has a nice place to store the wand when you're not using it. Does come with different nozzles you can put on there. What I'm looking for in a backpack sprayer is I don't want it to leak out of the top. So when you unscrew this, it does have a nice seal there. Now I just have water in it at the moment. You can actually put the handle on either side. So if you want to spray right-handed and pump with your left hand, or spray left-hand, pump with your right hand, you can put that however you want. And it has a generous length hose on there, which is good. Now I put it on, I'm going to demonstrate and spray it here shortly, but it definitely holds pressure well, which is nice. And one of the things I like about the backpack is that you can put more water in there. Sometimes this one holds 4 gallons. Sometimes 4 gallons is a little bit heavy for me, so I might just put it for 3 gallons, but you can put it 4 if you want. Now these are both 2-gallon sprayers. The main difference between these two is this one is going to be a battery powered sprayer, meaning no pumping, and this one is not battery powered. So this is the Scotts Professional Sprayer, the Pump Zero, and what's great about it, you just turn it on and it automatically pumps itself up, and the light will even blink when the battery's getting low, and it comes with a charger. These do come with this pressure relief valve, so if you want to release the pressure, you just pull that off. Again, very similar on this one, the Smith Contractor 2-gallon sprayer. The only difference on this one is you need to manually pump up the sprayer to build up the pressure. But it holds pressure very well. But again, that's the advantage of a backpack, is you can pump it while you're spraying, where this one you're going to need to set it down to pump it and then pick it back up and start spraying again. The one problem I've had, I've used these for years, over time the hose can tend to kink right here, and occasionally this little red pressure relief valve will break off. You can see where I've broken this one off, and if that happens, I would just encourage you, when you're trying to release the pressure, just turn it very slowly and let the pressure release if it's built up. Let me give a brief demonstration. Spraying, want to wear PPE, personal protective equipment, rubber boots, rubber gloves. In this situation, I'm just spraying water with the Field King. They're all going to have similar hoses and nozzles on them, so I'm going to spray with this one and show you how well it does. All right, so I've got the backpack sprayer. I'm going to spray this weed right here, but it just got water in here, but just to show you. So good pressure there. I can put a fan tip nozzle in there, but I particularly like these brass cone nozzles. So if you're looking for a sprayer, these are 3 that get great reviews and 3 that I personally use and recommend.